Ireland is the best country in the world to do business. We're the third most competitive economy in the Eurozone and the fifth most in the EU. Ireland has the youngest population in Europe and one of the most educated workforces in the world. Ireland's young workforce is capable, highly adaptable, educated and committed to achievement. Over 350,000 non-Irish nationals live in Ireland. And with 9 out of the 10 top ITC and pharmaceutical companies operating in Ireland, and all top 10 born on the internet companies, as an employer, how are you attracting and retaining the best talent for your company in such a competitive environment? How can you add value that shows your investment in and commitment to your employees? The IHI Group is an independent, Irish-owned employee benefits consultancy, providing a consistent level of expertise and unrivaled service delivery to companies and their most valuable investment, their employees. Did you know 60% of younger workers express strong preference to consider the value of their benefits when considering job options? Nearly 4 out of 5 employees would rather get enhanced benefits versus a pay increase. Employees' attitudes towards their benefits is directly linked to where they choose to work, as well as with their levels of engagement and job satisfaction. The top 3 coveted benefits among employees in order of preference are 3 pension plans, 2 holidays and paid time off, and number 1 healthcare. We provide your company with a partner whose primary focus is to craft the ideal employee benefits package to attract and retain the best talent. Uniquely, by putting primary emphasis on the most demanded of benefits, healthcare, and through direct and regular employee engagement as central to our service, we ensure the richness of your benefits package is wholly understood by your greatest asset, your employees. Creating the perfect benefits package is one thing, but if the employees for whom you built it are not engaged with it and do not understand it, they cannot justly appreciate its value. Value is key, and we offer it in spades. Our services range from organising and managing your full benefits package to brokering a wide range of wellness initiatives and employee assistance innovations. We've worked with companies in every sector, from aviation, pharma and fintech, to retail and manufacturing, and with dozens of global household names, providing them all with an edge in this competitive environment. Call us and find out more about why the IHI Group are the right cultural fit for you. We would be delighted to help you.